This is how we party.
This is our cover of 3.
Okay,
Go.
go.
Hey guys, we're currently here at Penobre Beach Resort and yay, dagat. Maligo na. Maligo na. So nice swimming pool here guys. Yan, siyempre napoy dagat and napoy cottages and lamig ang hangin. Yeah. So maligo kami later and enjoy the resort. So guys, unfortunately, dili ta kaliko sa dagat kay hugaw kay siya puno kasi mga coconut nut. So ato ta sa swimming pool unya. So ninot yang hangin diri guys. So very refreshing unya. Yeah. Best part best part of the vlog. Kain na. Guys, busog na kayo ko. Busog na kayo ko niya. Tara, maligo na ta. Maligo na ta. Maligo na ta. Hey guys, we're currently here at the SM General Santos City and we are headed to Ranchero Grill to have some dinner, and finally we got some LTE signal, and it's really a pain in the ass uploading vlogs here. Been searching LTE signal for like a day and finally we got it here in SM. Hey guys, we're currently here at the Ranchero Grill at SM General Santos City. We're gonna try their food. So, yeah, hope you enjoy this night. Yeah. Special thanks to Ranchero Grill for this sumptuous treat. And hey guys, so we are just done eating our dinner. Kung sa atong measurement sa kalamis atong nakaon guys, ang atong yan. Visual. So guys, we are heading back to the hotel and this is Jensen's finest, so you better check this out when you visit General Santos City here in SM. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and comment down below your thoughts and click that notification bell right there. So see you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Napal!